Rita and I'm Digital Accountant. In this episode I will share my honest opinion about crunch. Not this crunch. I will share my review about crunch accounting software. Also, if you have not seen it yet, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete crunch accounting software tutorial, where I am taking role as a sole trader, where I have started just recently my photography business. So talking about crunch accounting software review, I will share some good points and some not so good points that I think so you should be aware about crunch accounting software. So let's start. Pricing. So crunch accounting software is one of those accounting softwares who actually provides a free package. So you do not need to sign up for free trial to test and trial accounting software and decide if it will be right for you. They actually have a crunch free forever package, and on that software free package you are able to issue invoices, credit notes, as well as record your funds. Also record expenses and supplier invoices, and at the end of the day reconcile all through bank reconciliation option. You can enable bank feeds or upload your bank statements. So free forever package, got loads of things what you can do, and you do not need to spend a penny. However, if you want a free VAT filings as well as free self-assessment filings, then you will need to go for a Crunch Pro package, which is Sole Trader Pro package, and in that case you will need to pay £24.50 per month plus VAT, of course. Also in that package is included unlimited access to a Crunch team accountant, where you can ask your all finance and accounting related questions, and so to help to manage your business better from finance perspective. MTD VAT compliant. So is Crunch MTD VAT compliant? Yes, it is. Don't worry guys, if you are VAT registered business or even sole trader who need to submit or file VAT returns, you do not need to worry. Crunch accounting software is fully compliant for submitting VAT returns as part of Making Tax Digital initiative by government. And only difference is if you are on Crunch free package, like free forever package, you will need to pay additionally £3.50 plus VAT per month, so you can submit these returns with help of Crunch team directly to HMRC. But if you are opted for paid sole trader package, then you will not need to spend a penny, and VAT filings are included, or VAT return filings are included in this package. Snap your receipt. So if you have lots of receipts, you can use your mobile app to upload them. Not in this way like I've done, I tried my best, but you can take receipt and take a snap, and system will automatically read an information from this receipt and upload on your Crunch accounting software, even on free package. So Crunch accounting software got their own Crunch Snap, and it's linked with your account, as I said, and it's actually for free for 15 receipts or 15 snaps per month. You can use it for free. But if you want unlimited snaps of your receipts, you will need to pay £3.50 plus VAT per month, and you can enable it through your ads on section. Makes life easier, and also it keeps a digital copy of your receipt once it's scanned on system. Let's talk about reports. So if you are not on Pro package, so paid package, then you will be not able to see progress or how well your business is actually doing. So on free package you cannot see any reports, so you have no access or visibility about your business operations. You can download like a sales summary information to Excel directly from sales section, but you cannot download directly from your expense section any information related to your expenses. Only place where I found you can download some kind of data is through your settings. So if you go through settings, you will be able to export data and select from which category you want to export and what. So for example, if you export expenses like by lines, like detailed information, you will need to use some sort of formulas or pivot tables to actually summarize to see how much you actually have spent, for example, for travel or for materials or even maybe for a rent and etc. So it will be a little bit time consuming, and that is the only way how on free package you can get some sort of data that you will need to then use to create reports what suit you to see how well your business is actually doing. Mobile app. So if you're wondering if Crunch accounting software got a mobile app, then not good news. No, they haven't got a mobile app. You can use a browser on your mobile phone and type in browser Crunch accounting software and then enter or access your account. But due to how small screen it is, it might be harder and like not comfortable to work on like you would be able to work on your browser on your computer or laptop. So in short, no, they haven't got mobile app. Only thing what Crunch has is a Crunch Snap app to take pictures of your receipts and upload to your accounting Crunch account. So that's only thing what currently Crunch accounting software provides. Self-assessments. So if you have selected your Sole Trader Pro package and you pay £24.50 plus VAT per month, self-assessment filings are included in this price, so you do not need to pay additionally. Also, you can see reports, real-time information about how your business is doing. However, if you are on free package and for example you used to use spreadsheets to record your income and expenses, and now you have decided to go for example, Crunch accounting software to record more digitally and keep records in one place, you will be not able to see summary, even like in one-liner saying this is your income up to this day and this is your expenses. You cannot see that kind of information. And if you go for self-assessment submission, until your self-assessments are prepared by Crunch team, you will not know how much actually sales you have made or income or revenue you have made and how much actually you have spent within a tax year. And unless you download or export data and done your calculations separately, you will not see it on your free forever package account. So that's kind of downside, because if you use to submit your self-assessment by yourself, then it will be a little bit lengthy process. Firstly, you need to provide all your information about your other income, like if you have worked in full-time job or you have worked maybe just in a peak time for a couple of months and you have either P45 or P60, all that information you will need to be kept and added or entered information on self-assessment section on your Crunch account. So you will need to provide all these details and information to Crunch team for them to properly create a self-assessment summary for you for revision and then confirmation and submission to HMRC. So it will cost £95 plus VAT, and plus you need to enter all that information to your self-assessment part to be submitted to HMRC. So it's my personal opinion. If you have always submit it yourself and you want to use more digital software, then Crunch might be not right software for you to use, because as I said, you will be not able to see like a summary report that you can use to submit your self-assessments to HMRC directly by yourself. But there is a one bad note: from 6th April 2024, you will need to find a Making Tax Digital for income tax compatible software, and I can bet that Crunch accounting software will be one of those. And if you will go for free package, you will need to pay £95 plus VAT per one self-assessment filing, and that might be kind of reasonable price to do if you need to use software to submit directly to HMRC as part of Making Tax Digital initiative. Bank reconciliations. So bank reconciliations are a little bit like interesting process, and you might get in a pickle at the beginning while you get your head around all the process, how it works. So if you have received money from your customer, then you will be able to reconcile and post other side of your bank transaction directly to your incoming money and allocate to a particular invoice. So for example, if you haven't marked that invoice as paid yet, you will be able to record the transaction on particular customer account and allocate to that invoice. However, if you have paid money out, you have paid supplier invoice, you will be unable to actually allocate the supplier invoice. So if you don't mark supplier invoice as paid before you start doing bank reconciliations, you might double enter your expense. Be careful. So my tip, always go and add supplier payment before you start to do your bank reconciliation. Otherwise, you might duplicate your expense. However, if you take a snap on your mobile phone for receipt, you will be able to automatically select an account, either it's credit card or maybe debit card or particular bank account which you have selected to pay for particular expense. So that will be automatically recorded as a paid from that bank account. So if you're taking Crunch Snap app using and taking a picture of your receipt, that will be already in your bank reconciliation available to reconcile with transaction from bank. So as I said, my tip, make sure that supplier invoices are marked paid before you start doing bank reconciliations. Okay guys, I hope you will find my Crunch accounting software review useful, but if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Crunch accounting software tutorial, where I am starting my business as a photographer, and I'm covering all basics. So starting up from setting up me on my Crunch account until very last step of preparing self-assessment return. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.